Hi, this is Alex from QuickSolar. This walkthrough is going to focus on adding solar incentives to your QuickSolar designs. By now, you've already set up your new project and have gotten to the section on solar incentives. You'll notice 4 drop-down lists. In the first federal list, the US 30% solar tax credit will appear by default. In the second list, we have all state-level solar incentives in the project state. In the third list, all available utility level incentives, and in the final list, all incentives that exist in the project city. But what do you do when you want to apply a solar incentive that doesn't appear in any of these lists or needs to be changed? Simple. Just click the new incentive link to create your own solar incentive to be used for this project and any project moving forward. At the top of the form, I'm going to give this incentive an easily identifiable name, like Louisiana 2015 Solar Tax Credit. Next, I'm going to select a sector to which this applies, which in this case is residential. Next is level. This determines which level the incentive applies and which of the 4 drop-down menus you will select it from in the project page. Federal, and which country this will be applied to. State, and which state. Utility, and which utility company. Or regional, and the city to which the incentive applies. The type of incentive you select will determine the format of the below amount. A grant or a rebate will give you the option of creating an incentive as a percentage of installed cost or as a cost per watt. The feed-in tariff or performance-based incentive allows you to assign a per kilowatt hour rebate for any amount of years. This particular incentive is a rebate at 50% of the system's installed cost. Max gives me the opportunity to design a max value to the incentive, either by dollar amount or by kW. Since the new Louisiana tax credit maxes out at $10,000 per system, I'm going to say yes and type in $10,000 here as the maximum amount. Refundable, does this incentive come back to the customer as a refund? And combines, does this incentive combine with others? You can also enter the expiration date, a web link to the incentive, and a short description of the incentive. This short description will appear on your proposals to your customers. Once you click Save, you're brought back to the project page where you should be able to find the incentive you just created under the appropriate drop-down menu. It will now be applied to any new design you begin and any project you create moving forward. Thanks for watching. Keep it on our YouTube channel for more QuickSolar video tutorials.